What's up, Wednesday, everybody? We're rocking and rolling. Hope y'all doing good. It's that Merry Christmas time of year. It's a fun time and busy in the shop. No, I don't do Christmas orders, but so I don't have a lot of stress there, but I do some things for friends for Christmas. I'll put it that way. So I'm doing a few little things, wrapping them up, and all's good. I got a cool pair of spurs for you. I'll show you. I forgot I had them in here, taking pictures of them. There's my light box. That's how I do that. Got a cool little piece of plastic. There they are. Cool little guys right there. They're for a little tyke, little bitty booger. So he'll have a Christmas. I don't think he has social media. Hold on, I didn't want to give the big head there. My big head. I don't think he'll be on the social media, but anyhow, that's pretty cool. Pretty cool pair of spurs. And then I got a deal going here. Look at this. Does it look like a peacock? I hope it does. Man, doing a peacock, I've been asked to do this before, and geez, you talk about stress and trying to make it look like a peacock on all of this business going on here. It's dang near impossible with engraving and all that, unless you get into Bellino type of stuff, and then even then with the different colors and all, I don't know how I'd pull it off. So I twisted it. You know how I'm gonna twist and pull and see what I can do. And it is definitely unique. I hope he likes it. If he doesn't, well, guess what? We'll start over. We'll go to round 2. But that's kind of fun to do. So anyhow, doing that. Patreon's rocking and rolling. Just did a video this morning of doctoring a photo and putting what did I do? I put the signature in there, so that'll be on tomorrow's Patreon thing. And the old how-tos. All's good though. Got a workshop happening here at my house. I'm not teaching it. I'll be hosting it, which means they'll probably lock the doors and keep me out so that I'll shut up and not be interrupted. But Bo Compton's putting it on in conjunction with the TCA. It's our spring workshop for silversmiths, and there'll be a fall workshop in October at our show for silversmithing. But anyhow, this is Bo's going to be putting together a buckle, do some fabrication, and so pretty interesting stuff. If you're interested in it, contact me or Bo. You're going to talk to Bo. I don't have a whole lot of info, but I can get you in contact, give you his number and all that if you don't have it. So yeah, it should be fun. There's several people. I think there's 3 or 4 people already signed up, and gonna take, I think he's taking 8. So if you're interested, get on it, because it's starting to go. Be in February 8th, 9th, 10th, I think, in February, something like that. Don't hold me to the 8th, 9th, 10th, but I know it's first week of February, first, second, maybe the first week. Yeah, you got lots of information. I don't know what the hell I'm talking about. Anyhow, then you know, I'm getting some pressure on an engraving workshop, so little birdie floating around. Maybe April, something like that. So if you're interested in an engraving workshop, contact me, because I'm probably going to put one together, getting a little pressure on that. A close friend is wanting to do it, and so we'll get that worked in the schedule and keep y'all informed and all of that. So all's good. Merry Christmas to you guys, and see you soon. Adios.